In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer mode on Squarespace. If you're working on a Squarespace site and need access to more advanced configuration options, this is a quick process to know. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the settings area and how to get to the developer-related tools inside your Squarespace dashboard. Even if you're new to the platform, just follow along carefully and you should be able to find everything without any trouble. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace site and you're viewing the main site management dashboard. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon. Go ahead and click that. This will open the main settings area for your website, where Squarespace keeps many of the site-wide configuration options. After the settings panel opens, scan through the available options until you find Developer Tools. Click on Developer Tools to continue. This is the section where Squarespace groups together tools intended for more technical setup and customization. Depending on your plan, site version, or permissions, the exact options you see may vary slightly, but this is the place you need to access if you're looking for developer-related features. Once you're inside Developer Tools, you can choose from options such as Developer API keys or URL mappings. This is where Squarespace provides access to settings that are useful for more advanced workflows. For example, API-related tools can be relevant if you're connecting your site to external services or custom integrations, while URL mappings can help with redirects or customized path behavior on your site. At this point, you've successfully reached the area needed to work with Squarespace's developer settings. It's a good idea to move carefully in this section, especially if you're making changes that affect how your website functions behind the scenes. If you're unsure about a setting, take a moment to review it before saving any updates. And that's it. That's how to enable access to the Developer Tools area on Squarespace and locate the options available there. As a final tip, if you don't see the same tools shown here, check that you have the correct account permissions and that your site supports those features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.